We're cooking a popcorn. Look at it. It's a popcorn one. It's happy cooking it though. Look at it. Oh no, I'm gonna cook it. No. Do you know corn turned into popcorn when you keep fire? Wow. And this time is the popcorn. Look here. Yeah. Alright, we have many of them, and I'll show you some. Look, we're taking a bowl. Now this one, and it's look, they pull the thing, then open it up, and also has a grill. Now, take it, now open it up again, open it up again, open it. Now you have to get a scissors, cut it up.
It's a body pack.
Now get it and pour it. Look, like this. And also there's a stew. I didn't know a popcorn has a stew. Pour it inside. There. I didn't know a popcorn has stew. Now we're gonna cook it. No.
Take a photo, Sri.
Now look. Where you can say, wow, it's popcorn now. Now fire up. Now fire it. Keep it in a bowl. That is done. A popcorn. Now see you later. That. Look over this. Now can you see it? Can you see? It's up here. Yeah. You can. Down here. You can. Now look over that. Now can you see it? Yeah. Hi guys. I think the popcorn is ready now. Huh.